We all have laptops or a cell phone. What if we just want one or few jobs to be done repeatedly? Do we need a full computer? Maybe not. We can define a microcontroller as a simplified computer that are typically intended to perform a single automated task as pre-programmed by the user in a single device. A microcontroller MCU are extremely small microcomputers on a single integrated circuit that is designed to control specific tasks within electronic systems. Microcontrollers are widely used in embedded systems such as home appliances, automotive systems, medical devices, and industrial control systems. So what is inside a microcontroller? A CPU, central processing unit, the brain that runs your computer program, or simply a small program. The memory, which stores the program or data. So a flash memory, even when the power is off, it keeps the program. Then the RAM, the temporary memory for data while the program is running. Microcontroller also contains peripherals, that is interfaces for the real world, like the pins for connecting the sensors, buttons or lights, communication systems like Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. So let's build a smart fan using a microcontroller. The fan should turn on if it's hot and off if it's cool. So how it will work? A temperature sensor measures the room temperature. The microcontroller reads the sensor data. If the temperature is above 30 degrees centigrade, it turns the fan on. If it's below 30 degrees centigrade, it turns the fan off. Now inside the microcontroller, you will write a simple program like this. That is, if the temperature is higher than 30 degree, we will turn the fan on, or else we will turn the fan off.